would really like the insight from anyone who has seen the aftermath of similar cases. I apologize in advance for the length and thank anyone who reads it. My brothers and I own 3 houses in a row. We planted hedges along the outer property line and landscaped to create an event space in the backyards. We only hold maybe a dozen weddings/events a year. We all have other careers, so this is a hobby of sorts and make a small income from. The land is ZR zoned and we have never had a complaint about noise or other issues in the 7 to 8 years we have been doing it. A couple years ago, the apartment complex that we share a property line with converted to condos. The new HOA asked us to cut our back hedge shorter to provide them with a better view of downtown. We politely refused. The treasurer of the HOA persisted in hassling us about it until we had enough. We had an attorney friend of mine recheck the zoning, codes, property lines, and send a certified letter telling them to stop contacting us, citing the codes showing we are doing nothing wrong. The treasurer responded by hiring day laborers to cut the hedge down. He didn't get official approval from the rest of the board, he acted on his own. However, he did use HOA funds to do it. The police took a report and cited him, but told us that we would need to sue for the damages ourselves. I believe I understand what the law allows for, thanks to legal advice being part of my morning coffee routine, and we do have an attorney as this is outside small claims. This is what I am struggling with. Fairly calculating damages. We are furious about it, but don't intend to attempt to gain anything or punish anyone, but really want things to be put right again. We had a landscape architect come give us an estimate. The trees have to be replaced, they won't grow back. His estimate to make things back to how they were is a little over $200,000. This is for the trees, lighting that was broken, and an area of perennials that was destroyed. But we bought the hedge trees and planted them ourselves 15 years ago for maybe $10,000. We did almost all of the landscaping ourselves, buying plants here and there over the years. I have an idea how much they cost. A few $1,000s probably in the destroyed perennials. I replant the annuals every spring anyway, so I didn't have him include those. Since events are really a side project / part-time job, we make less than $15,000 to $20,000 a year or so from them. We all have much higher laying careers and don't rely on the money, but we do use it for a yearly family vacation. It feels strange to me to be demanding that amount of money when it was mostly permanent work to make such an increase in value. My fears are that the condo owners will each end up having to pay something out of pocket. Even the treasurer, who I am beyond furious with, has a wife and small children who would suffer if he is the one charged with paying restitution. I am worried the people he hired to do the cutting would be found liable as well and lose everything they have. I have considered the fact the HOA likely has insurance that would cover liability, but I am considering who would they go after to recover that. The HOA has refused to return calls, so the attorney cannot get their insurance info. I am sure I am overthinking things, but I lose sleep over this. I just want to do the right thing. The attorney urges us